Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to rename your Facebook name, or how to change your Facebook. First open your Facebook and then scroll down, go to setting, this one. You click setting. Under setting you look for personal detail. Under Meta Account Center here you click personal detail. Under personal detail it will bring you here to Account Center. You click profile here, click that, and then under profile you're gonna see your name, and then you click your name. Here you have options. You want to change name, you want to change your username, you want to change profile picture, you want to change your avatar. This is where you can change it. You click name, and then under name you change your first name, change your middle name, and change your last name. And then you go down here to review. Under review then you can click it, and then you enter your password to confirm the change. It can take a few minutes, few hours, or even a day. So that's it. So the next thing, you can go back, you can click your username. If you want to change your username, like mine, that is my username. So from there, when you change, you can simply click done. If you are finished, it will take you back. You go to your profile.